The Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, Google's value flagship phone of the year, will receive the biggest upgrade, it has been announced. At the I/O event, which is scheduled for May 10th, Google intends to formally tease the future Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. This will be the second year in a row we've seen a preview of Google's upcoming big thing. The recent formal unveiling of the Pixel 7a has reaffirmed Google's long-term strategy, which is to upgrade the main camera hardware on all of its main Pixel smartphones, starting with the Pixel 7a and continuing through the Pixel 8 Pro. Yes, the Pixel 8 series is getting the biggest camera upgrade we've ever seen on a Pixel phone. In fact, the ISO-Cell GN2, also known as the Beast from the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, is the biggest camera sensor Samsung has ever produced. Despite this, it's still a very capable sensor that can hold its own well against the newest 2020 sensors. The ISO-Cell GN2 will enable staggered HDR 4K 120fps and even support 8K 30fps video, coupled with the potential to take 50 megapixel as well as 100 megapixel still images. When combined with the newest hardware, Google can undoubtedly take this sensor to the next level. Along with Samsung's largest camera sensor, we'll also show the Exynos 2300, also known as the Tensor G3 for the Pixel 8 and the 8 Pro, which is the company's finest CPU ever but was never released. The existence of the Samsung Eclipse 930 GPU and the Exynos 2300 has recently been proven by kernel information. The Pixel 8 series may indeed have AMD graphics, and now is the ideal time for Samsung to highlight how much their Exynos 2300 processor has advanced compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.